Here is the AirMan tyre repair kit, and I just wanted to record a quick video just to show you exactly what it's like, give you an idea as to what you get included, and perhaps most importantly share my thoughts and opinions with you since we decided to get it. Now this repair kit is suitable for most vehicles up to I believe 21 inches, so just bear that in mind. But if you've got a typical sized car, even an SUV or minivan, this should work for you. I would recommend checking first just to be sure. Now what you get in this kit is a compressor and a sealant, so you can use one of them or both of them, and I'll explain that now. So here's the compressor. So what you use that for is for inflating the car tyre only. So if you've got a slow puncture or a puncture, then you can get the air in there as soon as you can with this compressor. Now to do that is very simple. Firstly, you connect this compressor to your tyre, to the valve, and then you plug the cable into the outlet in your car. You then turn this on. There's a switch on here, which I just pressed, and then you basically just watch, hear the gauge, and just make sure you go to the required PSI. So that's if you just wanted to inflate the tyre. If you also wanted to repair the tyre, then you can use this sealant that comes included. Now there's just one additional step. You basically just connect this sealant to the tyre first and then run the compressor through this. It's very, very simple, and you get instructions with this repair kit on how to do that. So it's very simple. There's only 4 or 5 steps. Honestly, it's effortless. Now you get this bag as well, so you can keep both of these in there, and that's great because you can just store it in your car and you've got it then for whenever you need it. Now I really like this repair kit. It's quick, it's easy to use, it's high quality as well, it's dependable. We've used it a couple of times now, and the other thing I really like about it is that it just saves having to have a spare tyre in your car. So if you don't have one, this is a great solution. Or alternatively, if you don't want to change a tyre on the side of the road, then you can just use this and not depend on that whole process and hassle. So yeah, overall it's a fantastic kit, particularly at its price point. It'll get you out of trouble, and I strongly recommend it.